Is Mamba FX the answer to your trading dreams, or just another forex fantasy? Before you dive in, let's uncover the truth behind their breakout strategy. According to Mamba FX, it's all about identifying key levels in the market where price breaks out of a certain range, signaling potential big moves. Supposedly, it's simple, effective, and almost foolproof. However, trading isn't exactly known for its guarantees, is it? So, let's talk about the meat of this strategy, the breakout method. The concept itself is nothing new in trading. It revolves around identifying zones of support and resistance. When the price breaks through one of these levels, it's supposed to indicate that the market will continue in that direction. You start by analyzing key zones using tools like trend lines or rectangles to map out support and resistance levels. Then, when the price breaks through, you enter the trade, hoping to ride the momentum. Here's the catch. Breakouts can be a double-edged sword. False breakouts are a common occurrence, where the price seems to break a level only to reverse and trap traders in losing positions. Mamba FX claims to solve this issue with indicators and confirmation strategies, such as using moving averages, volume spikes, or candlestick patterns to validate the breakout. However, there's something that caught my eye while reviewing this strategy. Most of the examples they show are hindsight trades, beautifully curated charts where the breakout worked perfectly. But in real-time trading, markets are messy, unpredictable, and far less cooperative. And that's where skepticism kicks in. Make sure to see the description for my top recommended alternative to start making real money online. Let's talk money, because trading strategies like these aren't free, and Mamba FX is no exception. The advertised cost of accessing the Mamba FX breakout strategy and related resources can run upwards of several $100s. Many reviews highlight that while the upfront cost might seem like a one-time deal, there are often upsells. Additional tools, private mentorship, or advanced strategies are pitched as essential upgrades. It's like you've bought the base model of a car, and suddenly you're being sold all the bells and whistles just to make it functional. And then there's the trading risk. No matter how polished the breakout strategy might seem, markets are inherently unpredictable. Breakouts fail, fakeouts happen, and without a proper risk management plan, which isn't heavily emphasized in the materials I've seen, you're essentially rolling the dice with your capital. So, while the cost of the course itself might pinch your wallet, the real question is, how much more could you lose trying to apply these strategies in volatile markets? And are you prepared for that financial and emotional strain? Let's dive into what the community is saying about Mamba FX and its breakout strategy. If you look around online, Trustpilot, Reddit, trading forums, you'll find mixed opinions. Some traders swear by the strategy, claiming it's helped them make significant gains. They talk about clear signals, easy-to-follow setups, and how the strategy works well with certain currency pairs. But let's not ignore the flip side. Many reviews raise red flags about inconsistent results and a lack of transparency. For instance, some users have reported that the strategies look great in hindsight, but don't perform nearly as well in live market conditions. Others point out that Mamba FX's social media presence seems to focus more on flashy lifestyle marketing, expensive cars, luxurious vacations, than on providing consistent, verifiable trading results. There's also the issue of the trading community surrounding Mamba FX. While some find the group chats and live sessions valuable, others describe them as chaotic and unstructured, with little actual guidance. A recurring complaint is the lack of in-depth support for struggling traders, leaving them to figure things out on their own when the strategy doesn't yield results. So, one question remains. Is this strategy a genuinely effective tool for traders, or just another overhyped product backed by slick marketing and bold claims? At the end of the day, the breakout strategy might work for some people in specific market conditions. But is it a magic bullet that will revolutionize your trading game overnight? Probably not. Trading is complex, and no single strategy, no matter how polished the sales pitch, can account for all the variables. The lack of transparency and mixed user reviews are serious concerns. Yes, some traders claim to see results, but the inconsistency is a big red flag, especially if you're putting your hard-earned money on the line. For beginners, this program might seem like an easy entry point, but without a deeper understanding of trading principles, you're setting yourself up for frustration, or worse, financial loss. And for experienced traders, you're probably better off refining your own strategies rather than relying on a prepackaged one. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Just make sure you're not jumping into it blindly, because of flashy marketing or promises of quick success. Do your research, weigh the risks, and most importantly, trade smart. If you've had any experiences with Mamba FX, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.